Can a simple pedal set truly elevate your driving experience? This replacement for the Peterbilt 330-year 2000 square pedal set with red oak wood inlay aims to do just that. And honestly, it's a surprisingly impactful upgrade. Forget those worn-out, utilitarian pedals. This set brings a touch of class and a whole lot of precision to your truck's cabin. The first thing you notice is the craftsmanship. The red oak wood inlay isn't just for show. It adds a warm, premium feel that you just don't expect in a heavy-duty truck. It feels solid, well-made, and the fitment for the 2000 Peterbilt 330 square pedal configuration is spot on. Installation, while requiring some basic mechanical know-how, is straightforward. Once in place, the difference in feel is immediate. The pedals offer a much more refined response. There's a satisfying tactile feedback that makes precise throttle and brake control feel more intuitive. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about enhancing the connection between the driver and the machine. For anyone who spends significant time behind the wheel of a Peterbilt 330, these pedals are more than just a replacement part. They're an upgrade to your daily grind. They manage to blend rugged functionality with a touch of automotive luxury, making even the longest hauls feel a little more comfortable and controlled. It's a small change that makes a surprisingly big difference in the overall driving environment. This set delivers on its promise of technical precision with a stylish flair.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.